Check out this awesome 270-degree freestanding awning from Openroad. It is made from durable aluminium and it's super easy to install. I'm going to show you how to do it right about now. So if you come check it out, when we open the box, it comes with the awning and some metal brackets for mounting onto your car. So we'll open it up. So in here we've got a few bags. We've got one with some tent pegs and some string for tying it down, and then we've got this one with all the nuts and bolts that you need to tie it on. So first steps first, we've got to attach the brackets to the actual awning. Okay, so now I'm going to mount the brackets onto the awning and then put it on the car. So the way you're meant to do it is you're meant to get the short side onto here like that and then bolt it on that way. Because I don't actually have a roof rack and I'm going to be mounting it onto the rooftop tent rack itself, I'm actually going to do it the other way and have the short side on the rack and the long side on the awning so I can sit it up a bit higher. Once I get a roof rack, I'm going to put it on the proper way, but this is just temporary until then. So, got the bolts out here, just going to put them in the groove and slide them through. And we'll go do the other side. Alright, so I've got all the nuts and washers on, so now I'm just going to tighten it up. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose so I can adjust the brackets so they line up with the rack. Alright, that side's done. Just going to tighten up this one, check that it lines up, and then I'll tighten them up fully. Alright, I'll check the alignment of this one and then I'll tighten that one up as well. Pretty close, not too far off though. Alright, so I've got the brackets on the awning. Now I just need to bolt the brackets onto the car. I do have the rooftop tent in the way, so I'm just going to loosen that up, just lift it up slightly out of the way so I can get the bolts in. If you're doing it on a roof rack, you can skip this step. Okay, so I've just lifted up the tent to make some room to bolt the brackets on. If you have a normal roof rack, you won't need to do this step, but I'm just getting it going until I get a roof rack. So let's get it up there. So get the bolt in the hole. Probably be a good idea to have someone help balance it for this step. Just get that nut on so it doesn't fall anywhere. Now get the other one on properly. probably be a lot easier doing that step with someone to help you balance it, or you can just balance it on your head, whatever works. Okay, we'll go do the other bracket and then I'll make sure it's all lined up and then tighten them up. Thank God that fits. All right, well, there you have it. It's got the awning bolted on. Now let's go test it out at the beach.